So this is it, the grand finale of my Christmas market tour. And I really did save the best for the last. Welcome to the Quebec City German Christmas Market. Or as they call it here, Marché de Noël allemand de Québec. And yes, they specifically added German to the name because they wanted you to know this isn't your typical Canadian Christmas market. They're doing this the German way. Quick recap for anyone new. I've been on this mission to eat up as many Christmas markets as possible because plot twist, I'd never been to one before this year. So far, I've done Toronto's Distillery Winter Village, Elora, St. Lawrence, Tax Market, Banff, Montreal. Basically, I've been everywhere. Full playlist is linked in the description box. Now, Quebec City's market is something else. It's spread across Old Quebec, a UNESCO heritage site in itself that already looks like an European fairy tale. And they went all in on authenticity here. They supposedly fly in German vendors for the season, import the real German crafts, the whole deal. I've never been to Germany before, so I can't confirm, but based on all the glühwein, French pretzels, and German everything, yeah, I believe them. Here's what's special about this market. It's not just one spot. It's spread across 5 different locations throughout Old Quebec. Place de l'Hôtel de Ville, Jardin de l'Hôtel de Ville, Place d'Armes, Rue de l'Église, Place de Youville, with over 100 vendors in total. But don't worry, everything is within walking distance. And this is where that German efficiency kicks in. Their website literally lists every single vendor with their kiosk number and exact location. There's even a mobile app to guide you around. Very organized, very German. The Quebecois just do things differently, and I mean that in the best way. Beyond eating and shopping, which, let's be real, is most of what you'll be doing here, there's actually a ton of stuff happening. There was a life-size nativity scene at the Garden of Notre Dame Basilica and a giant puppet march twice during the season. 2 massive puppets, St. Nicholas and Krampus, paraded down St. Jean Street with musicians. Sadly, I missed this performance. For the kids, there was the Kinder Chalet with free arts and crafts, puppet shows at Theatre Place Ravensburger, and games. Santa also had his own elaborate wooden chalet where you could take photos. Plus, there were apparently traditional German dance performances with actual performers from Germany. Alright, full time, and this is where things get interesting because you've got authentic Germany market food colliding with Quebec's classics. Think authentic German bratwurst and flammkuchen alongside pâté chinois, Quebec's take on shepherd's pie. Don't miss the warm stollen, that's Christmas bread with marzipan, or desserts like Lebkuchen cookies and bûche de Noël and sugar pie. For drinks, glühwein, which is German mulled wine, is the star, but Quebec's maple or chocolate and ice cider are worth trying too. Shopping here was also the perfect mix of authentic German Christmas market goods and Quebec artisan stuff. You've got traditional German ornaments, nutcrackers, cocoa clocks, the full German experience. Then there's Quebec's maple products, local crafts, failed Quebec items everywhere. The variety was honestly wild. You could spend hours just wandering between the kiosks. So here's the thing about Quebec City. The market itself is incredible, but the city, amazing. Old Quebec is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and honestly, you could spend days just exploring beyond the market. I actually have a whole separate video breaking down everything to do in Quebec City linked right here and in the description if you want a full guide. This Christmas market season has been unreal. I went from never attending a single Christmas market to eating up about 7, 8. Each one had its own vibe, and Quebec City's German Christmas market was the perfect way to close out the season. If you've been following along, thanks for coming on this journey with me. If you're new here, definitely check out the full Christmas market playlist linked below. I've got Toronto, Montreal, Banff, all of them broken down. Drop a comment and let me know which market you think I should eat next year, or if there's one you've been to that I'm missing out on. Until then, I'll keep exploring Canada and sharing all the amazing things this country has to offer. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.